Hello, my name is Luke Septicplier and welcome back to Python programming. In this tutorial I'm going to show you idle, which I'm using at the moment, but I'm going to show you how to use the how to write the code separately so you can run it for later on and save it. I'm going to be showing you for loops, and I'm also going to be showing you functions. Now I might have rushed a bit into this, but I feel that the quicker we get started, the quicker we can start on an actual program. So a for loop is this. So what I've got here is this. Now this allows you to repeat this bit of code more than once. Now you may think to yourself, well, will loop actually be a variable or a string? Well, the answer is no. It's actually this part. Now if I type that name within the loop, then it will show the actual value of this. So for loop in range, and it's very important to get it like this. Now you don't have to do range, you can do for loop in, I don't know, say you've got a list, then you can do for loop in your list name, and you always have to put this colon here, otherwise it doesn't work. So I'm going to run this bit of code and show you how it works. So I'm going to show you it. So as you can see, it's just repeated that. Now you maybe think to yourself, well, why has it just got to 9? Well, the key is that computers always start counting from 0. But if we do this, so this will now start at 1, but end at 10. No, it won't. So you need to make it above the number you want it to end at. There we are. So it's actually done that 10 times. So yeah, that's how it works. Now for you to do functions. Now a function is a function is basically like a mini program. Well, it is a mini program. Now when you do a function, it's normally used so that you can repeat things over and over and over again, such as a little program. So say that you wanted a program that says your name, and then actually type in your name, and then it counts how many letters are in the name, and then it repeats it to you, how many letters in the name. But then that could be used so that you could use that in a program that averages amount of letters in a name. But you wouldn't want to write that code out every time. So what we're going to do is we're going to type define. Now before we actually do that though, we're going to have to be doing a few variables. So I'm going to do var1 equals 10, and then I'm going to do string 1 equals Luke, because that's my name. Now we need to do def, which is define. Now you name your function, so this is going to be numbers, add length of name, actually no, name lim, there we are. So we need to put string 1 and var1. This is known as passing variables. Now it will make sense later on, but basically what you're doing here is you're telling this function that you want these variables to be recognised. Now I've made a program before where I've used something called global. Now global basically allows you to search the whole entire program and whatever modules you've imported into Python, and it searches through everything. Whereas this does it so it only does it in that certain file. That's a lot better because it's always a lot more helpful, because if you have multiple names it won't work. So again, colon. So we're going to do this is going to basically be doing return. Now return is a thing used in a program to in a function to basically give out output from that function. So I'm going to do return length, so len is the length of whatever, of string 1, and there we have it. That's that done. Now we're going to do print. Okay, so we didn't use var1, so we can remove that one because it's not needed, but we're going to do var1 plus equals name len string 1 would be string 1, and again run that program, and then if we go var1, see it's got 40 and it's just added that on for the length of that. So that is functions. Now idle is what I'm using at the moment. So you've got a few options. You've got file as normal, edit as normal, format, you can do these things, running these, see like I said it's separate options, so you can configure idle to be different to what you normally want it for. Now I normally use a custom, but I've reset Python for some odd reason, but that's how it goes. Windows zoom height, different things, you swap between the different windows, and then there's a help about idle and things like that. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe and give me a like, but as this is my second video, I'm still going to be doing short videos. Hopefully I will do some longer ones soon, but yeah, so my name is Luke Septic Blyer, and I will see you soon, and I'm out. Goodbye.